Welcome to our journey begins in Crete, Greece. From Heraklion, it's just a short drive to Stella Island Luxury Resort and Spa, a destination where paradise truly comes to life. A spacious bungalow set directly over the lagoon, with soft wooden tones, natural textures, and open spaces filled with light, nice furnitures, and a stunning bathroom. Outside, a private terrace floats above the turquoise water, perfect for sunbathing or enjoying breakfast with a view. And to make it even more special, our own jacuzzi overlooking the lagoon, turning every moment into pure indulgence. At the heart of Stella Island lies its iconic lagoon-style pool. Winding bridges, palm trees, and sun decks create a dreamlike setting. Every path invites you to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the rhythm of island life. Restaurants and lounges are scattered across the resort, each with its own atmosphere, from romantic dinners to cocktails by the water to vibrant evenings. What truly makes Stella Island unforgettable is the kindness of the staff. Every smile, every detail makes you feel genuinely cared for. The resort offers world-class services, from relaxing spa rituals and soothing massages to an efficient concierge ready to make every wish come true. Here, luxury is not just about comfort, it's about people who make you feel at home. Food is part of the journey here. In addition to an impressive buffet that feels truly out of the ordinary, Stella Island offers 6 themed restaurants, from Mediterranean cuisine to Asian flavors and fresh sushi. Each restaurant has its own atmosphere, making dining both diverse and exciting. But one tip, make sure to book in advance, as these unique experiences are in high demand. And then, the magic moment, fireworks light up the sky above Stella Island. The perfect ending to days filled with sun, relaxation, and celebration. Stella Island is not just a resort. It's an experience, a memory, a dream you'll carry forever.